Hey, I'm here in Lebanon on South 8th Street, and we're at this medical clinic. It's Volunteers in Medicine, and what they do here in Lebanon is provide free medical services to the underserved people in this community who need them, which is super cool. And so Rick reached out to me a while ago, and he's like, hey, will there be any way that you guys could get us a roof replacement and possibly get some materials donated or something because of the nature of our operation? I checked with GAF, the shingle manufacturer, and they decided to donate all of the shingles. So the shingles on this entire job are donated by GAF, which is super cool. I gave them a discount on labor as well. And so we were out here about 2 days. We tore everything off, put new shingles down. It's a GAF hickory, Timberline hickory shingle, a new EPDM membrane on the flat roof, and we'll be out here fixing up the soffits as well. We had a problem with water leaking down through the wooden soffits and taking the paint off before we were here for the last 2 years. And so we're going to go around and redo those, take out any rotten wood, replace it, repaint as needed and so forth, and make sure that the roofing system, the gutters, the soffit fascia are buttoned up so that the volunteers here don't have to worry about any leaks coming through the building, and they can continue their mission of serving the people here in Lebanon. So just like we do on every job at Joyland, I'm here for my final inspection, which basically means I'm lifting things, prying things, checking things to make sure that all of our workmanship is up to the standards that we want for our customers so that they get a true lifetime roof out of our work. And so that's what I'm starting here, just going around checking everything, and we'll see how it goes. So there you have it.